What up, people? Real quick video for you, but we got some giveaway results. So in my last review, which was for Primal Origin Oils, I posed a question down in the comments, and those that commented were put in the running for a giveaway of 3 oils from Primal Origin Oils, all from their premium line: Northman, Pangea, and Neanderthal. So I've got 19 names that we've got in this giveaway, and I will put those up on the screen right about now. All right, you catch those? So I've also got them on my phone here. I hope you can see them. They're on my phone, and they're listed 1 through 19 by number. And we're going to let Siri pick a winner of this giveaway. Simple. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 19.
It's 5.
So number 5. Let's go to the list and see who number 5 is. Number 5 is Steve Brown. Congratulations, Steve. I'll be getting up with you, and you can send me your information, and I can get that over to Primal Origin Oils, and we'll get you your winnings. Thanks for participating. If you haven't already, please go ahead and check out Primal Origin Oils. I'll put the link down in the description. You guys need to check those out. And if you haven't watched that review, if you're catching this late, check that review out. Really, really good information on those carriers that you really need to know. Don't miss this one. You guys have a great one. We'll see you in the next review. Take it easy.